Good evening. Myself, Dr. Ehtisham, and I am going to teach you today about reproduction. First of all, we have to know about what is a reproduction. Reproduction is defined as the process through which an organism or an individual reproduces their young ones of their own kind is known as reproduction. These are classified into two parts. One is sexual reproduction and another one is asexual reproduction. Sexual reproductions are defined as in which the male and female gametes fuses to form a single zygote is known as sexual reproduction. The best example for the sexual reproductions are the human beings and the animals, in which male and female together take parts to produce their offspring, in which their genetic history should be transferred to their young ones. It is happened through the genetic formation or the genetic transformation between the parents to their offspring. Now we come to the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproductions are those type of reproduction in which a single parent take part to reproduce their young ones. For example, birds in the hydra are the best example of the asexual reproductions, in which they produces their young ones by budding itself. Now, apart from the sexual and asexual reproductions, there is another form of asexual reproduction that is known as fission, and another form is known as budding. In fission, it generally occurs in amoeba. Amoeba is the best example of the fission type of the reproductive system. In this type of reproduction, a single parent splits into two to produce their young ones. For example, a single nucleus splits into two different nucleus to produce their young ones. For example, amoeba is the best example of the fission. Amoeba splits into two is known as the binary fission. Now we will talk about the budding. In budding, the parent starts growth in their structure and they produces a young individual. For example, in yeast, a bird's growth and attached to the parent body but produces a young one is known as budding process. In birds of hydra, they differentiated from their parent's body and detach and produces a new individual is